Yo, what up, squad? It's your boy C's from theseasonlife.com, and the time of this recording, it's Tuesday. Just finished up with my clients here in the South End, and now I'm walking over the links to get my workout in. Now, today is a very busy and important day. Today is the day before the summit, so on the mastermind call today, we're going to be discussing some logistics and little kinks. We may need a PA system, I'm not sure yet, but we'll see if we can get our hands on one just in case. Handle all the Facebook Live, YouTube Live logistics. So lots to discuss today on the mastermind call, but in order for me to function at a high level, I need to get my workout in. So that's exactly what I'm about to do, so I could clear my mind and be at ease and just let go. Just let go. Just a couple sets left of some prehab work on my right shoulder that's just been aggravating me a little bit, and then I'm going to go have some breakfast. I do have a breakfast meeting, and then from that breakfast meeting I want to go and come back because I want to be training one of the trainers here to take over one of my boxing classes that I want to give up. So do that, then head back to the crib for the mastermind meeting. Like I said, tons to get done because tomorrow is the actual live event, so we got to get everything ready, and all our answers that we have, just answer it right then on the call. All right, so yeah, looking forward to it, excited. St. Patrick, another session. We're back at it again, live with some 90-90 breaths. Reach. Oh, that's cervical flossing. Flossing the cervical spine.
Trying.
Getting those nicks and crannies. Nice. Core stabilized. Hips moving. Nice. Statue. Right now I'm killing time with these knuckleheads over here. They getting it in. I gotta just killing time before I go back to the crib and eat lunch, and also get on this mastermind call. It's gonna be a very big, our biggest call yet, because this is, like I said, the day before the summit, so lots to discuss.
You're gonna get me scoring TDs, fucking 50-yard TDs.
Yo, when's your first game?
First weekend, first, like April 7th or something.
April 7th? All right, I'll be there. April 7th, my man's gonna be on the field. How much touchdowns do you score in the first one?
I'm gonna score 4 the first game.
4 TDs, April 7th. 4 TDs. Yo, you owe the viewers 4 TDs. All right, so again, so by the time this episode comes out, the Fit Pro Development League would have already have taken place. Anyways, what this episode is about is us talking about this about the Fit Pro Development League Summit. So we just covered basically the logistics, the layout of how the event will be organized from when the doors open to when the doors close and till everybody makes it across the street to the Bond lounge for us to hang out, get to know each other better. So we just covered all of our bases, all of the questions, the topics, discussions, Q&As, all of that, right? So I'm just gonna amend that, send it to the team, and then we, the Project X group, is going to meet before the event at 5:45, so that we get there, we have all of the logistical things handled, and then open the doors, and everybody just we start to usher everybody in. Anyways, I'm not going to bore you with all the details. Hopefully you made it. If not, hopefully you saw it. Anyways, with that being said, that's my time for this video, at least until all of this summit stuff is over, you know, and then I get to like continue working and striving towards my Project X, right? Boom, boom, boom. Anyways, thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and holla at your guala. Peace.